Good air quality and ventilation in our homes is essential to our health and well-being. MVHR, or mechanical ventilation with heat recovery, is the most suitable and effective ventilation system for low energy and passive house homes because it delivers constant fresh air, manages humidity and moisture, keeps homes mold-free, solves the problem of heat loss from ventilation, offers excellent energy efficiency. MVHR is actually quite a simple piece of technology, which provides fresh filtered air into a home as well as transferring heat between incoming and outgoing air via a honeycomb heat exchanger. On colder days, the heat exchanger within the MVHR unit transfers the heat from the air leaving the building into the incoming air. An MVHR system plays an important part in the energy efficiency of your home, retaining the warmth and comfort of a home without the stuffiness, providing constant fresh filtered air into the home, improving the health of the building and the occupants within it. The air is moved round the MVHR system ducting using low energy fans. Filters are used to minimise the pollutants from entering the house from the outside. Different grades of filter are available to provide higher levels of filtration depending on the external air quality in the area. MVHR is a brilliant technology, but it's really important that it's installed and designed well to ensure quiet and efficient operation. The last thing you want is a noisy ventilation system, and unfortunately this can be the case if the MVHR is not designed properly. An MVHR system needs to be very much working away in the background in a home and be virtually inaudible. Our designers undertake careful acoustic modelling of all our MVHR designs and provide sound data at each air valve in each room and provide pressure loss data within our MVHR designs. We also use sound attenuators to prevent crosstalk between rooms. We have worked on over 1,000 MVHR designs for a wide range of self-build and retrofit projects around the UK, and we have a nationwide reputation of high quality, efficient and quiet MVHR systems. We offer a wide range of MVHR units and ducting options, so can offer flexibility to specify the right system for your project. Get in touch to find out how we can support your project.